Okay, I think this thing is recording. As you can see from the title of the video, I have an experiment engine that I'll be using. Hello, dog. And Mom. I'm not going to get your face on this because this is going on YouTube. And I know how secure you are. So anyway, I have an engine in here. I have a gas tank and a Homelight weed whacker engine that I just got from auto class today at school. And I'm wondering, what should I do with it? I mean, Mom, can you hold this? You're rude. So anyway, while I hold this camera with my butt cheeks, I will show you that this thing can turn over. Like, it turns over, but a little bit rough. So I figured this would be the perfect project engine. It turns over, but the issue with this engine is that gas tank, it's not attached. So my dad and I are gonna look at it, and I mean, we're not sure what we're gonna do. So yeah, I mean, I'll keep you updated. We'll do something with this motor, that's what I know. So anyways, comment down below some ideas. Just so you know, this is probably a 12-inch tall box. Maybe 4 to 8 inch wide. So that's pretty much a comparison to how big the engine is. Gas tank is also really small, so like, comment down below, because I think an idea would be nice. I hope you guys are having a great day. See you later.